Yes, guys, you don't know. Right now we are for the outside, the overs. And right about now, right now, we are for the in Bellevue side. As you can see down that side, down so the beach side. Yeah, man. Right now, we are for the Bellevue side. Don't you come here, sir? Yeah, man, right now, me just a cruising going on the road, you know. You can see me a feed in a Crocs. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, watch the view, man. I remember say me a feed in CARRIACOU, you know. Yeah, man, remember say CARRIACOU and Greater is one and I overs. Remember me a feed in CARRIACOU, overs. But CARRIACOU and Greater, all of us is one, overs. Yeah. Some people call it kayak, you know. Yeah, but some people call it CARRIACOU, overs. Shotting in the water and say kayak. Yeah, man, so right now I'm going in harvevale right about now. See, never bad. Yeah, man, as you can see, yeah, my way, ready on my way. Yes, sir. Yeah, as I don't tell you all right now, me have to in Bellevue. Yeah. Right now, me have to look into go harvevale right about now. I'm making my way to go harvevale right about now, so looking to go on the boat, collect a package. So right now I'm riding. So I say me record some video for my fans them, as I can see. Yes, my people, right now me have to almost reaching harvevale. Right now me have to go on the boat and collect a package from ospry. So right now I'm recording on my way. Yes folks, we're almost there. Yes folks, right now you're feeding harvevale. We're almost there, we're almost there. Yeah man, as we done say right now we're in CARRIACOU right now. The time is 6 o'clock, 6:30 right about now. 6:30 AM in the morning. So you don't know the thing said. Yeah papa, yeah man. Yeah man, one thing with harvevale about the beach side, the overs. Right now we're gonna enter the beach side, the overs, show you the waters and them stuff, the overs. And we all them boat and them just located in harvevale, the overs. Some people just call it the tongue. Well, I agree them they call it tongue because you know the way it shape up and thing, the overs, and the way the boat and them they on the side, the overs, it's like a tongue, the overs. So if they call it a tongue, the overs, I agree them. Yeah man, as you can see what them boat and them here so. That is a vehicle, yeah. Yeah baba. And them boat and them here so. Some people call it the little tongue, the overs. And now we are feeding harvevale. I don't tell you. Watch on the side here so. And them boats and them here so. Yeah man, I don't tell you, you know, some people call it the tongue. The overs. Right now you are feeding harvevale, the overs. So once you come in CARRIACOU, you just come in harvevale, the overs. Harvevale is like a tongue. Check on me here say. That supermarket, the mall they don't in harvevale here so the overs. Check them out man. Want to bathe and chill out yourself and take a nice bath. Watch how the water calm and nice. You overs. Easy does it. Yes sir. But the mall here so. That the mall are the inside. Baba, yeah man. Yeah man, you see ospry boat here? Yeah, man, right here, me and stop, man. Where the boat here, so they were going. Yeah, man, so right now we did on by the port. You overs, like the port here, you overs. Before the port was in Tongue in Hillsborough, you overs. Right now they changed it and they put it in Harvevale. Check what the place to check up, you see? Yeah, man. So I'm gonna stop this bike here now. I'm going to collect the package on the boat there now. So as I don't tell the people, right now we are feeding live in CARRIACOU, you overs. And right now we are feeding in the port, you see? Inside is the port, you know? Yeah, so gonna collect a package on the boat there. And if they clear it out yet. Check on me, I say. Now we're there at the gate. And if the gate locked, they just lock the gate in the morning time, you overs. Check on me, I say that inside the port here, so. They all them boat and they just pack up and thing over that inside the port. They were Emilia, that don't see right here so. And look how ospry right there, the way the boat are going there now. Them man them doing straight. Oh no class. Yeah, the security on them there, right? As I feel this. Yeah, like sick, you know. Oh my god. That's the boat on them. Hello? That's the boat on everything up. Yeah folks, that's the boat here, so you're overs. I ain't even take everything and go with it yet. But you don't see them security on them. Yeah folks, that the water's there so. Like the only sea boat here, that the boat that go down Monday, Wednesdays and Fridays. That ospry boat here, so you don't know. CARRIACOU in the building. Right now we have to be in the port. Okay, building. Hello, my general. Hello. Yes, sir. Why are you going to sleep in? Boo. Yeah, Baba. How things? The package and thing come up last night?
Yeah.
I want some Matthew Charles. A
Matthew.
package for Matthew Charles. Yeah. A small little package, you know, a small little package for Matthew Charles. Yeah. Yeah man people, that the boat here man. That the boat are going to grade the overs. Yeah man, that the ospry. The overs right now we are feeding harvevale as I don't tell you. You check on me and say that the waters here so. Yeah man. That the big shuttle here man. What the sign here is ospry shuttle. Ospry line LTD. Right now we are feeding at the port. Alongside it, look at Dolly see right here. You see the name on it, Dolly see? Yeah, you know that boat. Yes sir, yeah man. Yeah. That the port there serious beef for your overs. Right now they running that port there. Therefore them other boat and them are coming in here. Overs. Yeah, man, before you used to go and catch boat, you over right here to go and catch them boat and them and that wharf here now. But right now they build a new port now. You over then Chinese and them a build this port here so. But before them people used to use that port right there. Check on me and say. They used to use that port there before, you know. They used to go and catch my boat to go and grade that. And that's small little port right there. But right now we have to catch the boat right here. That's the main port here now, you overs. Yeah, but before I used to go and grade that, it's right over there I used to go and catch my boat on them. Yeah.